Hi, Amit Bhatia here, father of cute girl and husband of wonderful wife. I done my MBA in finance and I am specialized in financial analysis and financial astrology. I change many traders' life and make and teach them how to make profit from the investment market like stock, commodity and forex. Today, 12 July 2021 and 12:15 p.m. I recommended some stock. I'll look breakout today like SBI and Axis. I expect it will go above like SBI after 432 it will booming till 440 and similarly Axis Bank also 763 after I can see 776 level expected today. So you can watch and if you like make profit from it. But don't forget make stop loss because in trading stop loss is our weapon to protect our investment from uncertainty. So keep your stop loss at your capacity of investment and book whenever you like if you feel you are in comfortable in profit. Thank you.